your hands where I can see them.
Shit, I was turning. I wasn't doing anything. Holy crap, man.
Face away from me. Do you have anything on you that I need to know about?
I have the knife in my pocket, that's it. Guys, all right.
Scoot over. Scoot over.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Holy crap, what? Can I allow to get pulled over? Well, you can explain that in a second, but you just hit me head on. I hit the brakes, man.
Come here. Just lean against the car. Is there a reason why you didn't stop?
No, I was turning around.
No, you're supposed to stop. Is there a reason why you were trying to turn around and drive out?
No, I wasn't. I promise you I wasn't. Well, where are you trying to go? You pulled in here, where you're going for a stop.
Clearly saw my lights on.
And then you got head on with me right here. I'm going to tell you the honest God truth, all right? I have one pill on me. I was going to throw out the window, all right?
Where's the pill?
It's in the car.
Where in the car?
Right by the center, or in the door right there.
It's in the door?
Yes, sir.
Do you have anything else on you? Because if you do go to jail and you walk into the jail with something that's down your crotch or whatever, they're going to give you another felony.
No, everything. There's a pill. I think a pill and a half right there in the door, and you're not going to believe me, but there's a minute little bit of ice right there too, but that's not mine. But
all right,
it's going to be given to me, I'm sure.
Have a seat. Watch your head.
Uncapped needle in the middle console. Oh, thank you. I don't want you to stick yourself with it. It's like in the middle thing?
Okay.
Okay.
Is there anything else?
Now that's every single thing illegal in the car, guys. I promise you.
Where's the ice you were talking about?
That little bit, yeah, it wasn't mine. That girl left it in the seat, and so I just put it. I had a little baggie of it right there. I thought it was still there.
All right, I'll look. Right now, I want you to hear me out, all right? Your honesty is going to go a lot farther with me than you trying to bullshit me, because I've been doing this a long time, and I don't appreciate being bullshitted, okay? Having said that, I need to read this to you. You're not under arrest. Well, you're under arrest for your warrant, because you had a warrant. But either way, I want to talk to you, and I need to read this to you before I can, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, and have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you before questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You will also have the right to stop answering questions at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights as I've explained them to you?
Yes.
Did you ask anybody here for an attorney?
No.
All right, having said that, so explain to me what just happened.
I knew I had the warrant for the failure to appear. It was a misdemeanor.
Okay.
Which I know that you don't care about that, but I went to court. It was the wrong courtroom, and the Judge McGill was supposed to get a hold of the boat right to clarify that. Okay. So that's all I was scared about.
What was the reason you didn't stop? I mean, just be honest.
I was trying to throw those pills out the window.
You were going to try to run and then...
No, because I knew I couldn't run.
Because how are you going to throw the pills out if you're not running from me?
Well, I was trying to...
Because you didn't stop.
Well, I was trying to turn it around so that the passenger side door was away from you. And then I could throw him out the passenger side door. And then he was there, and I was like, holy shit.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And so I did hit the brakes. I mean, I promise you I hit the brakes. I mean, if I was going to run, I wouldn't have turned off. I mean, I got a pretty fast car. You know what I mean? I could have just kept hauling ass. But, I kind of panicked a little bit. And then, like I said, when I whipped it around, I was to throw him out the window. And he was right there, and I was like, holy shit. I don't know. but, I mean,
made a bonehead decision.
Exactly. Yeah. Like, and I just had everything going through my mind at once, but because you don't know my situation. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna get my car back. Everything, you know, like, I'm probably gonna sit in jail for a while. Like, over, you know, me calling into Zoom and them sending me to the wrong courtroom.
Well.